Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your Sendo Bank or your Sendo online banking. Sendo Bank is available in different countries, and depending upon which country you are in, you need to open up different websites. So, first of all, open up your web browser. If you are in the UK, search for Sendo Co. UK and hit enter. It's going to take you to the official website of Sendo UK. To log into your account, click on the Log On button on the top right. But if you are not from the UK, you need to search for Sendo Bank. Calm and simply hit enter. You can see this website with a different interface where you will also find an option of Log On the top right. Just click here. Through this, you need to type in your user ID and password that you created while signing up for the online banking service. Similarly, in the case of the UK, just click on the Log On button. You need to type in your personal ID and instead of a password, you need to type the security key. If you are using your personal computer, just click on Remember Personal ID, or if you are using a public computer, just click on I'm using a public or shared device, and then click on the Log On button. You will be able to log into your Sendo mobile banking. In case if you just forgot your password, just click on Forgotten Detail. From here, you'll be able to recover your password. So, this was the easy video, and I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.